Salamatsızdabe and happy International Youth Day. While I very much regret that I cannot be with you in person to celebrate the energy, the creativity and the potential of young people in Kyrgyzstan and around the world, I'm so honored to send this celebratory message. Since its establishment by the UN General Assembly in 1999, International Youth Day on 12th of August highlights youth issues and their crucial role in global society. This year's International Youth Day is particularly special for several reasons. This year's theme, From Clicks to Progress, Youth Digital Pathways for Sustainable Development, emphasizes the pivotal role of youth in harnessing technology to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals. In Kyrgyzstan and globally, young people are using digital tools to address local and global challenges and turn clicks into progress, as the Secretary General has said. Given the current state of Sustainable Development Goals, empowering youth is essential. As the Secretary General stated on the occasion, achieving the SDGs requires a seismic shift that can only happen by empowering young people and working with them as equals. This includes bridging the digital divides, boosting education investments, tackling gender biases in the tech industry, and supporting young innovators in expanding digital solutions. Youth empowerment and participation are central to this year's Summit of the Future, convened by the UN Secretary General in New York on 22nd and 23rd of September at the level of heads of states, including President Japarov. The summit is an opportunity to build global problem-solving mechanisms that are more networked and inclusive, with youth being given a key role. The Secretary General has called on global leaders to use the summit to advance youth participation at every level, establish youth consultative bodies, promote intergenerational dialogue, and scale up funding opportunities for young people everywhere. Where else could this call resonate more than here in Kyrgyzstan, where young people make up nearly 1/3 of the population and are demonstrating daily how vital their fresh perspectives and innovative solutions are in advancing inclusive social and economic development and addressing challenges like climate change, environmental protection, social justice, health or education. Let's use this year's International Youth Day and today's event as a building block towards the summit's promise of greater youth participation in decision-making that shapes their future, and commit to investing in young people's potential. By providing tools, resources, and opportunities, we can harness their energy and creativity for sustainable development and a better future for all. The United Nations in Kyrgyzstan supports youth empowerment through initiatives like, for example, the Youth Advisory Board to the UN country team, which gives young people a choice in shaping the UN's partnership with Kyrgyzstan to advance the Sustainable Development Goals. We will also continue investing in health, education reforms, employment, the creative industries, and digital literacy, among others, so crucial for future jobs, a sustainable economy, and inclusive and equitable development. John Rahmat.